Have you been locked out of your home, office, or vehicle? Maybe your key broke off in the lock, or your vehicle's smart key has been lost or damaged. Relax, take a deep breath, then call us. Our professional locksmiths can handle all your emergency unlocking situations. No need to wait until regular office hours, no need to break a window, and no need to try to pop and potentially damage the lock yourself. We'll come to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including holidays. But lockouts aren't the only emergency situation we can help with. If your home or office security has been compromised due to unauthorized key duplication, we'll rekey all your locks so you can rest easy knowing everything is safe and secure. It's never a good time to need emergency locksmith service, but when you do, we're here for you. Contact us today.